Guys, hello, what's up, how are you? So today I am actually gonna be doing something really exciting that I haven't done on my channel before. Recently Segway actually released the Segway Drift W1s. Now these are basically e-skates is kind of what they're calling them. They're two platforms that balance on wheels and you lean forward, lean back in order to control them. I think it's the perfect accessory for any college student or person that has to get around while walking. I think one problem that Segway is going to have in selling these is actually getting people to buy in that it's easy, practical, that anyone can kind of pick up these weird hover devices and know what they are and be able to use them immediately. So what I want to do, my bet is I'm going to be going around campus and there's going to be so many friends and like random people that like see them and they're like, oh my gosh, what are those? Can I try them? ETC, blah blah blah, whatever. And I'm going to say yes. Please try them, but I'm going to record you doing it. So basically, I'm going to open these, I'm going to check them out for myself, I'm going to see how they work for myself. If you want to see an official unboxing video, go check out iJustine or Casey Neistat's unboxing video, as they are way cooler than I am, and they have been doing this for much, much longer. They got these probably 4 months ago, because they're like so cool, and I'm not. But continue watching if you want to see if you could pick up these skates or drift ones for yourself and be able to pick them up as easy or not easy as my friends on campus. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that quick summary of a bunch of people trying out the Drift 1s around campus. I definitely had fun sharing this new toy of mine with my friends and just random people. It was definitely a laugh. So I'm on campus, I'm riding kind of the same way that I would go when I'm normally going to class. I guess after 4 years I finally just stopped caring about vlogging in public and we're out here because, you know, campus is kind of cute, right? So I just wanted to show you guys a few shots of what it's like when you're going over bumps and going to class and the pros and cons of the W1s. So on brick or uneven surfaces, it's definitely not the easiest. Your feet don't really strap in, so it kind of like will vibrate off of your feet, and so you can kind of have to like slow down and readjust. So it's not ideal in that manner. But after having them and using them, going to class for 3 days, I actually really do like them a lot. I don't know that I would buy them again, but I definitely think that they're a really fun thing to have when going to class. You know, when the hoverboards were a thing, that kind of took people by storm and then they died out. These are much like your own regular like skates. You need to think about having a pair of like old-timey skates and then carrying them around after you get off. They are kind of heavy, but still kind of easy to carry in class. They do have an elastic strap, but I really like them. Overall, I probably wouldn't recommend, but I'm glad that I have them. So this right here is the most dangerous part of my commute, so I am going to do it while I vlog and show you how it's done, or I'm gonna eat it. So this is what doesn't really work well, when you like have to go over all those bumps, and so it's kind of like pretty freaking dangerous, not gonna lie. Now I'm gonna go no traffic. Okay, and then more bumps. And then this person is gonna let me go. Alright, let's go. Bam, bam. And made it without dying. That's a win.